Hala, nag-start na ata ako ano, nag-record. Hindi ko
يعني يمكن في مختصر مفيد.
oh, wow. Look at this. Parang siyang paradise, no? Can you believe that something like this exists? Wow, and this is the front of the Schonbrunn Palace. So there. Ganda niya. Hi, Austria. I want to come back for you. Look. Look at this. It's very long. Up above there. And there's a fountain, I think, and statues in the middle before going up the hill. So, yeah. Amazing, Vienna. I didn't expect this from you, but you're so right. Okay, so I think something went wrong. I was trying to film while walking from the back here to the front. I'm now here at the front, but there's an error and it looks like I wasn't able to film everything. I was actually filming the ones that I thought I wasn't filming. Nung hindi na siya on, dun pala siya nag-record. Tapos nung akala ko nag-record ako, hindi siya na-capture. But anyways, it's still amazing pa rin. Tingnan mo kasi, tingnan mo yun. Ang haba, diba? So there's like a fountain with statues there sa may dulo. Tapos up the hill, there's like a gate or something. Tapos yung flowers, very colorful. It looks like paradise. I wish I didn't have to go home. Kasi ang ganda niya. Hello! Pilipino po? Pwede po magpa-picture po? Ay, thank you. Solo po kayo? Travel?
Ikaw, solo ka?
Opo, travel? Saan po kayo dito sa Europe?
Germany. Ikaw?
Doon ka nakatira?
Oo.
Okay.
Ikaw?
Oo. I-off ko muna.
Ang ganda. Pakakuna ka lang.
Wala na ano ba daw? Nakainis na ako. Bakit ganun? Mali ata yung pag-video ko. Kasi kanina okay naman siya. I'm not sure if this is recording right now. Hopefully it is. Kasi kanina nagloloko siya. I'm trying to record. Ang dami ko nang na-record pero wala. Hindi ko alam kung anong napindot ko or anything. Tapos pag akala ko tapos na, yun, dun siya nag-record. So, ayun, medyo malayo na ako sa Schonbrunn Palace. Ganun talaga. Tapos tingnan mo yung gardens. It's so colorful, pink and red, yellow flowers. So, I'm heading to the fountain. Tapos may gate dun sa may up the hill. Here. Hopefully naman isa sana nag-record na siya. Kasi sana naman. Just film it. Look at that. Ang ganda ng fountain. Sana malinaw din sa camera. Ang ganda niya sa in person. So there. Hopefully may pag-picture sa akin. Paakyat na ako ng hill. Doon sa may gate. Hindi ko ata na videohan yung paglapit ko dyan sa fountain. Ganda ng fountain. Ako nagluloko yung camera kanina. Kita ba yung fountain? Ganda niya. Hindi ko alam. Pero ang ganda niya in person. Malaki siya, oh. Ayan, akyat na ako. Going to the hill. May gate doon. Try ko nga pumunta dito sa fountain. Ayan, pwede naman. May mga tao eh. Tapos tingnan natin yung view. Ay, grabe. Parang ang ganda. Kitang-kita yung palace tsaka yung mga flowers. Very colorful. Okay. So, OMG, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Look at that beauty. That is phenomenal. Ay, grabe. Ang ganda niya. So, andito yung fountain. Ay, grabe. Ano ito yung statue na ito? Ay, ano ito na? Yung kabayo. Gamit yung kabayo. Meron na gumawa ng mga ganyan. Pero ang ganda. Very artistic. Sabagay. Tapos, so paano ako magpipicture ngayon doon? Ang ganda sana. Pinipicturean nila from the Instagrammable siguro. Yung parang may falls. Okay. Ayan, dun sa magpipicture. Tapos, punta ko mamaya dun sa kabila. I'm walking the hill na. Grabe, kanina pa ako nag-climb. Pasigzag yung daan galing sa baba. Nakakapagod pala kasi ang taas ng hill. Tapos wala pa, ayan pa rin. Ay, andito na actually. Konti na lang. Ayan yung gate. Ang laki ng gate. Ito na ata. Baka may pool dyan. Pero look at this beauty. Look. Andito tayo sa taas ng Vienna. Ang ganda ng tuktok. Ang ganda ng view. Sana pwede ko i-zoom. Pero kung ano man nalabas sa video, isang nahingal ako. It doesn't even compare to the beauty when you get to see it in person. Amazing. So let's go na here sa, yes, meron ng pool or parang lake. Okay. May mga ano siya, may mga duck, goose, whatever. You know, may little pond. Diba? Tapos, ayan yung gate. First, look. Look at the magnificence. Merveilleux. Tama ba yung French ko? Beautiful city. Merveilleux. There. So, punta lang ako sa gate. Okay, so I'm in this gate. It's actually long. And there's an eagle again in the middle. And so, video. Parang umiilaw yung Schonbrunn. So, so, let's head this way. Ano yan? Ito si for Agosto. Maria Teresa Agosto. Okay, I'm going to climb this stairs for this gate that we are in right now. Wow, very cold. Oh, there's a cafe or there's a restaurant inside. The people are eating inside. And look at this view from the view. Or from the whatever you call this. And ang ganda sana i-zoom. Wala naman tayong zoom. Basta ang ganda niya in person. Wala to. Nasa video. Look at this. I'm heading here. Wow. Dito siya. Hopefully. Ito yung entrance yung papunta sa loob. Pero dito. So, andito tayo sa gate. I mean, yung kanina na parang nasa gitna ng taas ng hill. Amazing. Look at the ceiling. Wala na yung araw. And the view, of course, is this. Ang liit. Hindi ko alam kung malinaw siya sa camera. Okay, I'm done again. So, there is the fountain. It looks little. And here is the garden. The garden, the amazing garden. And the palace, the Schonbrunn palace. So, we're going to go back. Kasi ang lang yung alam ko na station eh. Train station. I'm going to go back to the palace. I'm back in the Schonbrunn Palace and we're going to go up the stairs of the palace. So there. Kasi ang ganda ng view sa yung my garden. So try natin dito. Yung view sa my garden. Ganda. Wow. Amazing. So here is the palace. Ayan siya. Tapos dito tayo. Wow! Sun, where are you? Magpakita ko. Doon ako umakyat kanina dun sa may pinakataas. Na parang may ano pa dyan, bridge? Dun sa top of the hill. Tapos duman ako dun sa fountain. May malaking pool. Nakakapagod ang taas pala nun. Tapos pasigsag yung daan. So, that is it. Our Schonbrunn tour.